Hey everybody, John, Vaporonning Technologies. We have a steel, I think this is either zinc coated or chrome plated steel part. Looks like a bracket of some sort of stabilizing bracket. We're gonna put this in the glass bead AO mixture so we can strip this part clean so it can be recoated, replated. Whatever the customer's gonna do with it, we don't really know. We're just trying to clean it up for them. So I want to show you how fast and easy this is and how you can do this every single day if you have one of these machines. So let's check it out. This is an 800 base. So this is kind of the middle of the road as far as our polymer cabinet goes. Super awesome workspace, really easy to operate, super simple and cheap to maintain. So come over here and check this out. Watch how fast and easy this is. I know it's always really hard to see. I'm gonna wash the window off. That was a couple seconds. So we went from this to that. So just imagine if this were you and how easy and fast and enjoyable this is going to make the process for you, whether you're rebuilding, restoring, or just general maintenance. We had a mechanic in here the other day demoing some equipment, and he was just blown away at how fast and easy this is going to make his job. You can literally take one of these plastic cabinets here, put it in your garage or your workshop, anywhere. You can move it around. All you need is air and power hooked up. And if you get a self-contained closed loop system, you have the basins that you have to move around to for the water supply. But other than that, it's so simple and so easy. Plus, we build these things and we assemble them here. So when you get it, there's no assembly required. You just hook it up, start running and blasting your parts. Doesn't get any better than that. But I just can't challenge you enough and ask you enough. Like, just imagine if you had one of these in your shop. I mean, it's incredible. It's an awesome tool. It's a tool worth paying for. So call the sales team today and get them to get you a quote on something so you can get set up. But I'm gonna finish this up and I'll show you the after. There you have it. Super simple, super easy. So easy a caveman can do it. If you want one of these in your workshop, give the sales team a call today. Check us out on all of our social media platforms. We have all of this content available for you to watch on how to do anything and everything as far as prepping for coatings, polishing parts, you name it. Thanks for watching.